conditioner down. Let me tell you what to pick up instead. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. I'm Jaisha, and the reason I don't condition my hair is because I deep condition my hair. There's a difference. Do I even need to tell you what gel I'm using for my wash and go today? She's back. I'm sorry, I can't get enough of it. My hair has been flourishing these past few weeks. I love this gel. The Curl Days Glossy Shine Gel with Kukui Oil has been my go-to. Like, I have not been using anything else for my hair, and my hair has been looking amazing these past few weeks. My wash and goes have been lasting mad long. I can't get enough of her. She's perfect. And of course, my handy dandy spray bottle to keep my hair wet. This gel works best when my hair is really wet. Now let's break down the difference between regular conditioner and deep conditioner. Regular conditioner is pretty much just surface level moisture. You put it in your hair, you let it sit for a few minutes, and it conditions the outer layer of your hair. It can help with detangling, it gives you that outer layer of moisture, and it smooths your cuticle, which can help reduce frizz. But essentially it's short-term moisture that's only going to last for a few days. Deep conditioner, on the other hand, is a much more intense level of moisture. Deep conditioner can penetrate to a deeper level of your hair strands to provide your hair with really good nutrients working from the inside out. Of course, if it's used correctly, meaning following the recommended times for leaving it on your hair, and sometimes adding heat or steam to really help the conditioner penetrate into your strands and give you that moisture that you are looking for. Why don't you love me? Tell me, baby, why don't you love me? Deep conditioner is usually a thicker consistency because it's more concentrated. That is where you are getting the nutrients from. So if you're struggling with dry hair or breakage or damaged hair of some sort, you should really be deep conditioning your hair regularly. It will help to reduce the breakage, nourish your hair, help with elasticity, and if you want to get the spring back into your curls, get that bounce back, definitely start deep conditioning regularly, at least once a week. And really just the overall health of your hair, it is really good to deep condition. Even if your hair is not damaged or dry, it's really good to help with the elasticity and the moisture levels for your hair to prevent those things from happening. Because again, it's long-term moisture, so it's obviously better to be proactive and prevent dryness and breakage from happening before it ever even starts. I deep condition my hair once a week. It is 100% non-negotiable for me. Every time I wash my hair, I'm deep conditioning right after I shampoo. I don't even bother with a regular conditioner because why? And it is especially important for me since I use a lot of gels. I just don't want to risk any breakage. So deep conditioning is really my biggest form of getting moisture into my hair. And that moisture carries me until my next wash day. And if you add heat or steam to your deep conditioner, it will work even better. The heat and the steam, it helps to open up your hair cuticles to get the deep conditioner to really penetrate. Some of us, like the low porosity girlies like myself, it's hard for the cuticle of our hair to open up to let moisture in, and so that's really where the heat and the steam come in handy. I have been, ever since I colored my hair, I've been deep conditioning with my steamer every single week because I really need that moisture, and like I said, cuticles don't really like to open up. I mean, I was steaming my hair before. I've been doing it for a while. I just wasn't always super consistent about it, but lately I have been being more consistent about it, using it every single week. I will leave a link to the steamer that I use because it's super small and compact, and it just makes it a little bit easier to use and not have to worry about doing too much when wash day is already a process in itself. But you can also use a hooded dryer, sit under a hooded dryer for a few minutes with your deep conditioner. You can also use a heating cap, a conditioning cap, like anything that is going to put some heat on your scalp and your hair strands to really help your deep conditioner get in there. This is why I've been using this gel every single week, because my hair looks amazing. I promise y'all, nobody is paying me to say this. I wish. I just genuinely love how the gel works, and the proof is in the pudding. It speaks for itself. The results speak for themselves. And if anybody is looking for something like this, if you like, you know, defined wash and goes, one product wash and goes that are just simple the way that I do, and you want your hair to last the way that I like my hair to be all week and not have to worry about it, it's just, this is my recommendation. Y'all, look at my roots coming back in. I think it's only been a month, maybe 5 weeks. What day is today? It's been like 5 weeks since I colored my hair, and I could already see the color coming back. Honestly, I started noticing it at like week 2, and I went into it thinking that I was just gonna grow it out and let my hair be that nice ombre color. But I don't know, I love the color so much, I might start doing some touch-ups. So with all of that being said about regular conditioner versus deep conditioner, I really don't see the need for regular conditioner. I think it is a waste of time and money. I don't want short-term moisture. I don't want surface level moisture. I want deep conditioning. So I really don't see the point in regular conditioner, not even to use before my deep conditioner. I think it is a waste of time and money. Now that's really just my opinion as far as it being a waste of time and money. I just don't see the point. If you like it and it's working for you, keep using it. Hey, I am not a professional. I'm not a hairstylist. I didn't go to school for this. I just don't keep one as a part of my stash of hair products. The only reason that I would really use regular conditioner is if for some reason I had to wash my hair twice in the same week. Like I normally do once a week. If for whatever reason I needed to wash my hair another time during the week, I'm not going to use a deep conditioner. I would just use a regular conditioner for the short-term benefits of it to carry me until my next wash day a week later, and then go back to using my deep conditioner. But that is so rare, like that never really happens. I just feel weird, like if I have to, for whatever reason, rewash my hair, it just feels weird to just put shampoo in my hair and be done. So I think like, okay, let me just use a regular conditioner this once. But the problem is I usually don't have one because I just never use them. And I might go buy like a little mini bottle for that time. I don't know, y'all. I might be converting into becoming a side part girly. I used to always wear side parts. Now I always wear middle parts, but I don't know, I'm kind of starting to go back to side parts a little bit. I don't know, we'll see. Anyways, that's all I have to say about deep conditioning. Obviously, I am a strong advocate for deep conditioning over regular conditioner. Also, don't think that you can make a deep conditioner out of a regular conditioner by leaving it on your hair longer or adding heat to it. It does not work that way. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you would like to see more of my videos. I post every week, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.